In this video, we are going to discuss the knock-on-door virtual drop-in feature. Now, if you'd like to offer this feature and make yourself available, like Mike, where he has his statuses online and the knock-on-door option, simply change your status to reflect online as well. In the upper left-hand corner from the drop-down option, select online. When you are online, that knock-on-door option is available for students to connect with you. Now, this is our blog. It's our counseling blog, similar to a counseling website at any college. Here, you see our ConexED cards. Myself, they see Matt, Mike. Each of us are counselors in this counseling group. When my status is online, a student can knock on my door for a quick question, virtual drop-in. This is what it looks like from the student perspective. Once the student knocks on the door, the informed consent statement appears. This legal statement protects your school from any FERPA or HIPAA liabilities, and the student would agree to it before they are able to proceed. The next is the login screen. Each group within ConexED can determine the login types that are appropriate. We have many login options for our counseling group. A student will log in. It initiates as a chat. You are giving students the power to engage. Here, the student would simply ask a question. This is what the counselor or advisor, support service contact would see on their end. It's the same chat box. Now, you also see different options. You see chat tools. Chat tools allow me to view student details, meeting notes, history, any past information that's in ConexED. I can see upcoming appointments in green, completed appointments in black, canceled or no-show appointments in red. Notes for the student. Okay, simply again, viewing student details. I can continue to chat with the student, but track that as a meeting, adding notes or reason codes. Once I save chat to a new meeting, it appears as a calendar event for that group. I can see the appointment details, add notes or reason codes. I can send to another moderator. This allows me to send to another moderator if the student is asking questions, but they need another contact group or area. This is a great option. Here I can send to another contact within my group or another group completely. You'll notice Seth is away. His status is away. I can send to him and he will receive that chat box, be able to see any chat history between myself and the student, and continue following up with the student. If I'm sending it to someone who is offline, here in white, it's going to send that chat transcript as an email, and that contact can follow up with the student. Or, because sometimes it's so much easier to have that face-to-face conversation with the student, I can open my door. And opening my door invites the student into my cafe or virtual office. You'll notice Enter Meeting appears. I would select Enter Meeting. On the student end, they also see Enter Meeting. This is the knock-on-door feature.